I'm in love with the world through the eyes of a girl who's still around the morning after.
What makes Elliott Smith's music so unique and timeless? He is widely regarded as one of the greatest singer-songwriters, known for his haunting melodies, raw lyrics, and signature guitar sound. His music has captured the hearts of fans around the world. In this video, we're going to explore how Elliott Smith got his sound, and to demonstrate some learning, we'll write a song in his style at the end.
Tone.
First the mic, then a half cigarette, singing Kathy's clown. That's the man she's married to.
The tone of Elliott Smith's music is introspective, melancholic, and emotional. His lyrics explore themes of love, loss, addiction, mental health, and his music reflects the raw and vulnerable nature of these topics.
She shows no emotion at all, stares into space like a dead China doll.
Playing things too safe is the most popular way to fail. Dying is another way. Or like killing your emotions is another popular way. With, drugs or alcohol or whatever.
Smith's gentle and delicate guitar playing, coupled with his soft-spoken and almost whisper-like singing style, supports this and creates an intimate and personal feel to his songs. While some of his music can be considered sad, it also contains elements of hope and beauty, with his lyrics often offering glimpses of light amid the darkness.
But there's a big difference between describing, you can take a picture of New York and one person looking at it will think it looks really depressing, frightening, and someone else will look at it and think of all the fun things you can do in New York. I think songs are kind of like that.
Instruments.
To create the tone, Elliott Smith mostly plays a small-bodied acoustic guitar, which gives his music a warm and intimate sound. He usually employs intricate fingerpicking, and on top of that, has bass notes played on the guitar that lead the chord structure of the song. For example, in the notoriously difficult-to-play song called Angeles. Elliott Smith is a multi-instrumentalist, but always plays the guitar and sings the vocals. And in addition, sometimes plays the piano.
I'll think it through the day with some help from Johnny Walker Red. Send the poison rain down the drain to put bad thoughts in my head.
As you just heard in Miss Misery, he uses a lot of melody in his songwriting, which he says himself is his favorite.
Melody's my thing. That's my favorite thing. But I like rhythm too, But, more instruments.
And in later albums, he adds more instruments to the songs for more complex arrangements. This is when other people play the bass, drums, piano, and the vocal harmonizations. In studio versions of the songs, during the chorus, Elliott's voice is doubled and sometimes has a chorus effect on it. This is the case for almost all his popular songs, such as Say Yes, Needle in the Hay, and Between the Bars. Here is a live version where his band members sing the chorus with him.
Lyrics.
A big part of what made Elliott's music unique was the lyrics and also his personality. It was always clear he loved music and was making it for his own sake.
The less I think about it, the happier I am, you know, because I don't really care where I fit into anything or if there's anything to fit into. It's just, I like music, you know, that's the thing. It's very uncomplicated. Mostly, yeah, I mean, I write a lot in bars and stuff. I drink really slow, so, you know, it's all right. But yeah, I can't do it at home in like a quiet room, which isn't a problem in my building anyway, but, you know, it's too, you know, overthink it that way.
So you find that it's easier to focus and think when you're surrounded by sort of kerfuffle?
Yeah.
As we previously discussed, the lyrics were about how tough life is, mental issues, love, and relationships. But what adds the closeness is that most of the lyrics are written in the first person and are descriptions of what he sees and feels. For example, he uses a lot of I statements in Say Yes.
I'm in love with the world through the eyes of a girl who's still around the morning after. We broke up a month ago and I grew up. I didn't know I'd be around the morning after.
Extra dynamics are added by how the lyrics are represented. He emphasizes metaphors that have significant meaning by having short choruses that are repeating a single phrase, like in Needle in the Hay.
Needle in the hay, needle in the hay, needle in the hay, needle in the hay.
In addition, there usually is a bridge and a song where he changes up the feel for a short time, adding more complexity.
To the pool, you tell me the morning after. Crooked spin can't come to rest. Well, our dinner's bad at best. She'll decide what she wants.
A mentality Elliott Smith had was that you have to have the confidence to do what you like.
And if you like it, it's bound to, there must be something good about it because you liked it, right? Whereas that's not necessarily true of like a million selling record. There's some records that sell millions of copies that it's really unclear if anybody liked it who was making it, you know?
Layers. The layers Elliott Smith uses in his most popular songs are generally a guitar being played with chords and some intricate picking. His voice lies on top in a soft tone, then doubles it during the choruses. Some bass lines walking up or down are played on the bass notes of the guitar. There are additional songs where a tone is played in the background on the keys, like in Angelus. Now, onto our own song,